The car manufacturing journey begins with the arrival of high-strength steel coils, shipped from global suppliers to the factory dock.
Carefully transported under strict controls, every steel coil moves with precision toward its next stage of transformation.
Every batch undergoes rigorous quality checks and tensile strength testing to ensure the car's cabin remains safe during a crash.
The massive steel coils are first unwound and flattened by heavy-duty rollers to prepare them for the cutting process.
Along with steel, aluminum sheets and plastic granules are delivered using a just-in-time system to maximize storage efficiency.
Before the steel can be shaped, it passes through intense chemical baths to strip away protective oils and industrial residues.
High-pressure sprayers and automated brushes ensure that every square inch of the metal is perfectly sanitized and prepared. This critical cleaning process ensures that future weld points are strong and that the paint finish will adhere perfectly without peeling. Advanced sensors measure material thickness with 0.01 millimeter precision to ensure the structural integrity of every body panel.
High-precision laser scanners scan the moving metal sheets to detect even the smallest microscopic surface irregularities.
A high-speed blanking press cuts the continuous steel into specific sizes called blanks, tailored for different parts of the car.
Every piece of excess steel from the press shop is captured through automated chutes, ensuring that no raw material goes to waste. These metal scraps are compressed into dense bales and sent back to the foundry to be melted down and forged into brand new steel. Within seconds, a simple metal sheet is molded into a recognizable car component, such as a door, hood, or roof pane. In the heart of the press shop, massive hydraulic machines exert thousands of tons of pressure to transform flat steel into complex shapes.
This trimming process ensures that every part had the exact dimensions required for a seamless fit during final assembly.
After the initial pressing, high-precision lasers or trimming dies are used to cut away excess metal from the edges of the panels. This high-pressure physical shaping is essential to maintain the metal's structural integrity while creating the aerodynamic lines of the vehicle. This stage creates the fundamental core of the car, providing the strength and form upon which everything else will be built. Known as the body in white stage, these components are precisely aligned and clamped to ensure the vehicle's geometry is perfectly square.
Computer-controlled precision ensures that every single weld is identical, creating a uniform structure for every vehicle on the production line.
This process uses electrical resistance to create thousands of precise weld points, ensuring the car's chassis is incredibly rigid and strong.
Hundreds of specialized robots work in perfect harmony, performing high-voltage spot welding to permanently fuse the metal panels together.
The body then passes through a curing station, where heat activates the bonding agents, creating a permanent.
Controlled cooling prevents the metal from warping, ensuring that all dimensions remain perfectly within the engineered tolerances.
After the intense heat of welding and curing, the car body enters a specialized cooling zone to stabilize the metal.
Beyond welding, heavy-duty structural adhesives are applied to the seams to enhance the vehicle's overall stiffness. This structural bonding is key to reducing noise and vibration, providing a quieter and more stable ride for the passengers. As the temperature drops, the metal and adhesives solidify into their final, rigid state, locking the car's structural integrity in place.
The car undergoes E-coating, where it is submerged in a specialized tank and electrically charged to pull the protective primer into every hidden crevice. Highly precise robots apply the base color and clear coat, using high-speed electrostatic sprayers to ensure a perfectly even and mirror-like finish. The painted body is then baked in an infrared oven to cure the finish, creating a hard, durable surface that protects against scratches and rust. An intricate system of overhead conveyors moves the painted bodies across the factory, maximizing floor space and efficiency. Computer-controlled AGVs navigate the factory floor autonomously, delivering heavy components exactly when and where they are needed. This total automation ensures that the delicate paint finish remains untouched by human hands, preventing any risk of oils or fingerprints causing defects.
The paint thickness is measured in microns at multiple points to ensure it meets strict durability and weather-resistant standards. Paint thickness is precisely measured in microns at multiple points, ensuring it meets strict durability and weather-resistant standard.
High-resolution sensors and specialized lighting arrays scan every inch of the paint, detecting even the smallest dust particles or microscopic bubble. Corresponding labels and barcodes are placed on the door frames and engine bay, allowing for digital tracking throughout the car's entire lifespan.
During general assembly, the car's interior comes to life as technicians and robots install the dashboard and complex electrical wiring.
Automated precision tools secure the suspension, brakes, and wheels with exact torque specifications to ensure maximum safety.
This is the marriage station, the most critical moment where the powertrain and chassis are perfectly united and bolted together.
In the final stages of the line, the remaining interior components are fitted, transforming the frame into a functional, comfortable vehicle. Advanced computer diagnostics are used to verify that every sensor, airbag, and electronic module is communicating perfectly with the car's brain.
The shower test blasts the vehicle with 2,000 liters of water per minute to guarantee that the cabin is 100% waterproof and leak-free.
Every finished car enters a high-intensity light tunnel, where specialists inspect the body for any tiny dents or paint inconsistencies.
High-precision pumps simultaneously fill the vehicle with essential fluids, including engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid, to exact levels.
Every cap is manually verified and sealed to prevent leaks, ensuring the car is mechanically ready to be started for the first time.
To preserve the factory-fresh look, protective films are applied to the delicate screens and polished surfaces of the interior.
A final interior walkthrough ensures all accessories are present and the cabin is perfectly aligned before the car is sealed for delivery.
Custom-fit covers are placed over the seats and steering wheel to prevent any dirt or scuffs during the upcoming transit process. A specific amount of high-grade fuel is added to the tank, just enough to power the car through its initial testing and transport.
The car receives its unique identity as a high-powered laser engraves the Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN, directly into the chassis. This digital fingerprint ensures full traceability, documenting exactly when the car was built and which specific parts were used in its construction.
This final dynamic check ensures that every mechanical component and safety feature operates exactly as designed before the car leaves the facility.
A professional test driver takes the car through a series of maneuvers to check for any unusual noises, vibrations, or handling issues.
Every vehicle is placed on a dynamometer to test the engine, transmission, and braking systems under simulated road conditions.
Having passed every rigorous test, the cars are driven to the staging area, ready to be distributed to showrooms across the globe. Whether by ship, train, or truck, the journey ends as these finished masterpieces begin their final voyage to their new owners.